Hey y'all. Sorry I'm so far away. But your girl did some shopping. And so I do have a little bit to show you. So I got a shirt that came in, but you know those green 720s that I showed y'all this week. I took them back because they had flaws in them. And I got on my off-white motor wrap sneakers today. But yeah, they have flaws in them, so I knew I was going to take them back. Um, when I got up this morning, the stores here don't open up till 10 o'clock. So when I got up this morning, um, I was checking all of the stores, especially Finish Line, because that's where I got the green ones from. And they said they didn't have them in the store. So I was like, bump that. I'm going to just take them back. I went to the Nike store. They had what I was looking for. They actually had both colors. And so I ended up buying the green ones, the blue green ones from the Nike store, and they were in women's. The pair that I had were men's. So this right here is a woman's, and this is a 10. The men's was an 8.5. And when I tried it on, it was such a difference in the toe box. I'm not sure why, but the toe box wasn't as tight on the woman's um, sneaker. I don't know. I can't even tell you why. But the floors that was on the shoe from Finish Line that I got, it was, I'm trying to see. It was smashed in right here. Like this right here was smashed down. And then under the bottom, the piece right here was all separated. Like they didn't put any glue on here. So when y'all go out, if y'all go out to get these, make sure you check the sneaker over, make sure there's no glue stains. You know, the bottom is not separating in the seams right here, because that's why I took them back. I was like, these sneakers cost way too much money for me to keep with flaws in them. And so I was able to get my money back, and then I wasn't able to get my shipping back right away. So he told me to call customer service and let them know what happened and give me back my shipping, because I was like, I wanted to get them early. The blue pair was released early for Finish Line only with Nike. And I kind of did a 2-day shipping, which was like $22. And for them to send them that was floored, I was like, I want all my money back. So they're going to give me my shipping back too. They said it take about 3 days to process. So that's that. And then, boom, let me bring out these. These are so nice. The guy was like, they look like cotton candy to him. But this was the color that I really wanted out of the pack. And I stumbled upon Finish Line and saw those blue green ones. And for whatever reason, I'm really loving like the greens and the blues. It's just a little hard either trying to get my hand on a green sneaker that I like, or finding a green sneaker that I like. So of course I looked over this whole sneaker on both of them before I took them from Nike, and there was no separation issues, no glue stains, none of that stuff was going on with it. Um, the blue and the green is basically the same. The blue green and this one is basically the same material. But again, for whatever reason, this was my issue on the men's pair. Both of my pairs were the Northern Lights are men's. They came out with another color in women's, and the blue green pair that I had yesterday was men's. I'm not sure. I don't think they had them in women's yet. It was just a small release drop on Finish Line for early. So again, I got a 10. I am a 10 in women's. Most of my sneakers, women's sneakers, especially my Vapor Maxes, are 10s. I have one 9.5, and yeah, they're tens, and except for one is a men's 8 because that was the acronym that fit pretty much regular, and then my utility is a 8.5. Those seem like they ran kind of small, but other than that, yeah. So I went true to size, and I still have room at the top, and they didn't feel as stiff and tight as the men's did. I don't know why. I don't know if they make the fit different on the women's version than they do the men, but both of my pair are now women's. So these are women's. And again, I got them from Nike. And then also on the if you go online to like the different stores like Foot Locker and stuff, if you're looking for the green or the black, the Eclipse pair, you can go to Finish Line and Foot Locker. I saw them in both, but for whatever reason, when I went to check to see if they were online, they said not available. When I walked in the store, they were sitting on the shelf. They did not have this colorway though in the store, only Nike, and I'm not sure if every Nike store stocked them, but the one here did. Foot Locker and Finish Line did not have this color. They just had the blue and the black, the blue, green, and the black. So, but this is such a nice color in person, nice and summery. So I just wanted to show y'all that. I maybe come back later and do an on foot. Just wanted to kind of explain to you, do an unboxing, show you, what I picked up today and what happened with the blue green sneaker. I took it back and purchased it at Nike and went to Finish Line and got my money back, pretty much. And then I ordered this from Hot Topic. I think it's called Hot Topic. Yeah, I have bought 2 shirts. If y'all looked at my video that I did with my Pandora, my Valentine's Day gift, I showed y'all 2 shirts that I showed y'all 3 shirts, and one of them I said I was taking back because it was small. It was kind of tight, and so they didn't have anything that I really wanted in the store, and I wanted to get a what you call this? Not It's not a leprechaun, child. My mind is St. Patrick's Day t-shirt. So it says, "May the luck be with you." And this is a large. And I thought this was really cute that you can wear all the time. It wasn't too St. Patricky, you know, to St. Patrick's Day. So it says, "May the luck be with you." And then I don't know what that is on the bottom. Oh, it says Star Wars. So this is a cute shirt. I'm going to wear this on St. Patrick's Day. I was hoping that I could have worn them with these, but this is not a good match. This has more blue in it. This green has more blue in it than green. So I don't know what sneakers I'm going to wear with this. But that is my pickups and my what I got packages for today. So these are now the women's. They're both 10s. And the Northern Light colorway. Y'all already know I was going to be on these. These are right up my alley. The silhouette of this sneaker, they just look so fly in the different colors. Y'all know I'm a Vapor Max lover. I think I have like 8 pairs of Vapor Max. So it's probably going to be a given when these came out. Then I saw the silhouette. I was like, oh yeah. And then the colors. Is one more color that I do want in this, and it's the Volt colorway. That probably I don't know when that's going to drop. Maybe not until March. So I haven't seen anything on it. So they pretty much dropped all of the colorways that was posted except for that one, I believe, because the triple black, I believe, posted today too. They have 2 different types of black. They have the triple black, which is all straight black, and then they have the Eclipse, which is a gray that goes into a black. So don't get them confused. Make sure you, when you go online, it says triple black if you want the all blackout, and then it's the Eclipse that goes from gray to black. So, and you can also, like I said, should see them in the store. But yeah, these are my 720s that I got so far. So y'all enjoy the rest of your day. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Hit that notification bell. Give me some dialogue. What you think? Have you went for it? The shoe. Are you gonna go for the shoe? Do you like it? How it fit? You know, all of that stuff. And don't forget to give me that thumbs up, that like. Peace.